think. Oh, 2010.
2010.
2011 was Grimvotten. I'm not going to try 2010.
No, I've done Vardabanga. Forget it. No.
Right, coming up. The S&P closing at record highs yesterday. Will Fed Chair Janet Yellen continue to drive the optimism in her speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium today? We'll look at the trends moving markets. Stay with us.
TA25 from the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange, powering the Israeli economy. Find more information at www.ta25.co.il.
This is the Bloomberg TV Plus iPad app. Find out what's moving markets anytime, anywhere.
The way to engage with Bloomberg and our team of reporters around the world, 24 hours a day.
Create your own playlist or download and watch them offline.
Plus exclusive interviews and special features you won't see on TV.
Download the Bloomberg TV Plus iPad app. Finally, business television on your iPad.
Welcome back to Countdown. 7 minutes to go until the start of European trading. Markets are moderately undecided, I think would be my view on futures. John Farrow is with us. You're going to be doing On the Move, Johnny. London up 5 points. Paris and Frankfurt off a couple of pips.
Heading for the best week since February.
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
S&P 500, record highs. What happened to the summer correction? Nobody really talking about it anymore.
Well, Peter Dixon said it could happen soon. He did say that, but lots of people have been calling that, haven't they, John?
Well, if you're looking for a hawkish Janet Yellen, Fed chair today, I'm going to bring you some of the previews. Citigroup, she'll respond in force to the early rate hike calls. Credit Suisse, she'll delay hawkish rhetoric. HSBC will emphasise undesirable slack. Nomura, slack.
She's the fairy godmother of the bull market. Ed Yardeni says that.
I can't find a single analyst out there that is looking for anything but a dovish speech today. The thing is, they want to try and reduce the importance of this meeting and take it back to what it was. I was speaking to Mike McKee a couple of months ago.
Exercise.
If you look at some of the invitations that have got out, some key names on Wall Street, some chief economists didn't get an invite this time around. They want to make it less of a Wall Street event and more of a thinking shop, something for thought leadership. But with rates where they are, and with talk of rates going up soon, they're never going to be able to...
It's fairly relevant to Wall Street.
Yeah, of course.
My favourite... I've read a couple of different pieces, OK, but this is my favourite one at the moment, which is looking at the VIX, volatility, use it to protect yourself if markets are going to correct, as Peter Dixon suggested that the S&P might do, etc. But the VIX has dropped by 31% this month. Investors are still pumping money into a product, OK? It's called the Velocity Shares Daily Inverse VIX. Basically, it allows you to bet against
volatility
rising. Now, this is an interesting one. The last time we saw this was back in January during the emerging market rout, when the market went bang, snap, recover. Equity markets recovered very, very quickly. The VIX, this is a bet that you can make. We haven't seen this level of betting against the VIX.
Which leads you to this dislocation between asset markets and underlying economic conditions, which Mohamed El-Erian said in his Bloomberg View piece, this has to be on the agenda at Jackson Hole today. Great piece, by the way.
I'll tuck into that.
Look at it.
Mario Draghi's speech as well, just very quickly.
Yeah.
That could be the big one.
And what about Mario Balotelli?
Trade of the week.
Purslow said the same. On the Moves next, we'll bring you all the action. John, of course, will be helming the show. Manus and I will be here, don't worry, on Bank Holiday Monday.
You never know where or when the next big story will unfold. Bloomberg, never missing a detail of the global picture.
Discover a pioneering Forex investment platform from the best FX broker of 2013. FX Pro Super Trader allows you to invest in proven FX strategies and dedicated FX portfolios. Analyze the historical performance of our risk-rated strategies and select one that matches your investment goals. Allocate funds, set your risk controls, and our risk-rated strategies will do the rest. It's that simple. FX Pro. Trade Forex like a pro.
The true partner is the one you feel most comfortable with. Invest in remarkable Indonesia.
At Shell, we believe the world needs a broader mix of energies, which is why we are supplying natural gas to generate cleaner electricity that has around 50% fewer CO2 emissions than coal. And why, with our partner in Brazil, we are producing ethanol, a biofuel made from renewable sugarcane to fuel cars. Let's broaden the world's energy mix. Let's go.
Take on the world's financial markets with AvaTrade. Using our range of sophisticated trading platforms, you can trade currencies, commodities, indices, and equities around the clock. Whether on your laptop or smartphone, you'll get fast and reliable execution. So wherever you are in the world, you'll never be more than a click or a swipe from your next trade. And with a personal account manager and industry-leading client support, you can always count on us for expert guidance when you need it. AvaTrade. Trade with confidence.
In today's global economy, spotting smart investments requires expertise from the ground up, seeing first what others see eventually. At Franklin Templeton, we have hundreds of experts across the globe with local insight that gives us a broader perspective for navigating world markets. This approach has helped us achieve great heights in global investing for over 60 years. Franklin Templeton Investments. Gain from our perspective.
Be bold.
Be smart.
Be innovative.
Be global.
Be first.
Be Bloomberg.
Be Bloomberg.
Be Bloomberg.
Bloomberg!
It's great.
I fell down like...
That was pretty fun.
Discover a pioneering Forex investment platform from the best FX broker of 2013. FX Pro. Trade Forex like a pro.
You never know where or when the next big story will unfold. Bloomberg, never missing a detail of the global picture.